I'm awkward. Yeah, it's been like 4 months or something. I'm back. I'm gonna try to do videos every other week. Oh yeah, I dyed my hair red. It was like, I think it was black last time I filmed. But yeah, I'm gonna start doing videos again. I'm going to college, so I don't know how it's gonna work with that. But I want to like make a video with my roommates. I already told them, I was like, you know, what's up? I got a YouTube channel, and they're like, "Aight." So I might do like a video with them, but I'll probably like show you guys my dorm and stuff. But anyway, I'm just gonna do a makeup video today because that's all I'm good at, and well, that's all I'm alright at. So I'm gonna do that. Okay. I'm also sitting on the ground in my closet. Everyone's like, "Oh my gosh, you have like a studio." This is a rug that I just took off my floor, and I'm in my closet right now. But yeah, I'm just going to make a video today to get back into it. And that was my dog snoring. Today I'm going to do a smoky eye. So I start off with moisturizing my face. This is Nip Plus Fab Hydrate. That sounds weird, but Dragon's Blood Fix Plumping Serum. So we're going to plump our face. I'm going to try to like link these below because I never do that because I'm usually just lazy. But I'm going to try to be like an actual YouTuber and do that. Because whenever I watch makeup videos, that was my dog. Whenever I watch makeup videos and I'm like, oh, that looks like a good product, I like click on the link and buy it. I always do that. So yeah, I'm going to click on it, or I'm going to link it for you guys. Okay, I got this new Morphe micro brow pencil in cinnamon because my hair is red and it's like a reddish tint. And I've never really used it, so I don't know how it's going to work, but because it looks really red, but I don't know. Okay, so this is how I do them. I just leave them like this and go out in public, but yeah, when I first do them, especially with a pencil, I literally don't even try to make like a bold or a good line. I literally just Sharpie it all over my face and then I'll fix it with concealer. Oh, see, look, I have a line right there. Okay, now I brush these out because it kind of, like, especially like the front, if you brush the front out, it blends it out a little. Okay, now I'm going to conceal my brows, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock-It Concealer. I got this from TJ Maxx for really cheap, but I love it. This is my favorite concealer. And I'm going to be using my AOA Studio E121 brush. It was $1 on shopmissay.com. Okay, my brows look really fake. I mean, they are fake. I'm gonna do a black smoky eye today because I haven't done that in forever. I haven't been wearing makeup that much because it's like summer. To prime my eyelids, I'm gonna be using Maybelline Age Rewind concealer and just put it all over. And for my eyeshadow, I always just use one brush. I know it's really bad, but I'm using my Morphe Y15 brush. It's just a fluffy brush. To start off, okay, and the palette I'm using for my eyeshadow is the 35K. Oops. This is just browns and blacks. It's pretty much just for smoky eyes, so. Okay. I'm going to start with this tan color all over as just a base. It's pretty much just to set the concealer so it doesn't start creasing. Now I'm going to start in the crease with this gray. Actually, I'm going to use these two. Oh, you know what I forgot? I think I'm gonna do winged eyeliner today. And the only way I can do that is with tape, because I'm not like my friend Miranda. I'm going to link her down below. She just started YouTube. She's like, I literally think she can do winged eyeliner. Just like, and it's perfect. Like, she's one of those people that wears it every day, and it just always looks good. But I'm not like that, so I use tape. After you do the crease, just blend up a little bit so it's not like. Okay, now I'm gonna go in with a little. Yeah, I'm ready for black. I'm gonna go all the way in the corner. Put this right in the corner. Okay, now I'm going to put a lighter shade right here because I put the dark one up way too much. I'm actually just going to go in with this white. But I'm going to get some of this black off. This is where I should use another brush, but I don't. Okay, I'm going to use this white and just lighten that up right there. Okay, now I'm going to use this light shade in my Carly Bible, the BH Cosmetics Carly Bible palette. So it's not as white. Now I'm just going to do like a shimmer right here in the center, or in the corner. So I'm going to take the concealer brush that I use for my eyebrows and take some concealer, the same one I used to prime my lids, and I'm going to put some on the corner of my eyelid so the sparkles show up better. And if you wanted to make this a cut crease, I would use Tarte Shape Tape concealer because it's literally like thick and covers everything. If you want to make it like a color or something, but like shimmer, it doesn't really matter. So I'm just using this. Now I'm going to go in with this right here. It's like a mixture between gold and silver. And I'm going to put it on with my finger because if you use a brush, it just doesn't show up good at all. I'm going to pat that in the corner. Okay, now I'm going to go in with this highlighter shade from the Carly Bible palette, the pink one, and just put it in between the sparkles and the black, just as a cool like transition. Now I'm just going to take the brush that I used before with the black and blend it. Okay, now the shadow is done and I'm going to do the eyeliner. So for eyeliner, I use a mix of a gel eyeliner and a liquid eyeliner. The gel I use as a base to get the shape because it's like so smooth. Because liquid eyeliner is kind of hard to mess up, or is easy to mess up. And then I go over it with this to make it darker because this gel is like, it's black, but it's not like black. Okay, this is by Morphe. Morphe Gel Liner in Jet. I'm using the Morphe G21 liner brush. I'm going to go right on the edge of the tape and connect it with my eyelid. Now I'm going to use the liquid eyeliner to make it more defined. This is Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This is the best liquid eyeliner I've found. I really want to try the Kat Von D one, the tattoo one, but this one's like $2, so. Okay, and now we can take the tape off, and don't worry, like, your eyeliner doesn't have to be perfect, especially with a smoky eye because it's already dark, so it's not that noticeable. And if you put eyelashes on, can't even really see your eyeliner. Take the tape off. Ow, 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 ow. Okay, girl. Okay, and then I'm going to do my face makeup. For foundation, I'm going to be using Maybelline's 24-hour foundation. This is their new one. So, I'm going to put this on with a beauty blender. It's actually just a knockoff one. It's not the actual thing. And I don't wet my beauty blender. I just don't see the point of that. I think it's kind of unnecessary. Okay, but just gonna blend this. Okay, so after my foundation, I'm going to do concealer, and I'm going to use the Kat Von D Lock It Concealer again. This concealer is very lightweight, but really full coverage. Like, it doesn't feel thick at all. Like, this is one of those concealers that you don't have to wear foundation, and you can put this under your eyes and it doesn't look weird. Blend that out. After concealer, I am going to contour with the Wet n Wild contour stick. This is my favorite thing. Like, I've tried like $50 contour things. This works the best, $1.99 I think. It just blends really easily. I'm gonna blend this out with a beauty blender, but with my nose I use my finger. Okay, I'm horrible at nose contour, so I'm just gonna put concealer all over that because I never even contour my nose. I'm just doing it for this video. Yeah, I'm just gonna erase that though. Yep, nope, we're not doing that. Okay, now I'm gonna bake my face with the Coty Airspun powder. I got this at Walmart. I think it was $7. It's really messy, but it's whatever. And I use a different beauty blender for this powder because it like sinks in it. Okay, while I let that set, then I use bronzer and blush. Bronzer, I always use Hoola Benefit. For a bronzer brush, I use a smaller one, but it's an angled one. It's AOA Studio F14. This was $1 too. Okay, actually I'm going to wipe off my powder before I do blush. It doesn't matter. I usually do blush first, but... Okay, some people like it like a line like that, but I like it more blended. And after you wipe off your powder, you can add more bronzer too. I do that a lot. For blush, I'm just going to be using my it's an Ulta Beauty. It's just like a blush and bronzer thing. And AOA Studio High Definition brush. I don't know what number because my dog ate it, but it's like a really dense brush. I don't like the loose ones because then it like flings everywhere, the blush. And I put it right above the contour. And I don't like when people smile when they do it, because if you do it like this, it lifts it instead of like, if you do this, watch, it just like drags it down when you're not smiling. And you know, if you don't smile that much, that's not gonna look good. Now I'm going to take my brush that I used, the black, and just put whatever's left over on the waterline. Now this is like completely optional because I know a lot of people don't wear lashes. This is like a dramatic look. So I'm going to put lashes on. I don't buy any expensive ones. I think I get these from shopmissay.com, and so they're $1. They look like this. And the trick to eyelashes is to let the glue dry for a while. Because I always thought that like once you put the glue on, it was like super glue and you have to put it on right away. But it doesn't even stick to your eye then. It'll just come right off. So put it on like a good amount. And then wait like at least a minute or two. So I'm going to set this one down and put glue on the other one. Now I'm going to put mascara on the top and bottom. The top, just like, it makes it, like, I hate when, okay, if you put mascara on the top, it just makes your fake eyelashes and regular eyelashes, like, bond together because it looks weird when you can see which is which. And I use the Ulta Beauty Plush Drama. This is my favorite mascara. Okay. Now after that dries, you're going to put black eyeliner on your waterline. This is optional. Now, highlighter. A lot of people like to spray their face and then put highlighter on, but that just makes it blotchy for me. It doesn't like, it just looks like it's not blended. I use this highlighter every single day from the Carly Bible palette. I use these two together. And I use a small brush. I used to use the huge fan brush, but I like this because it blends it more than just going like one stripe. Okay, that's optional because it's kind of like extra. Then I spray my face, Urban Decay All Nighter. This was like $30-some, but I think it's worth it. You can also use the Mario Badescu facial spray. I don't know. And then you, I should probably put lipstick on. Okay, I'll be right back. Okay, and you're all done. So this is a glam look. I wouldn't wear this every day, but yep, that's what it looks like. Okay, so this is the final look, and yeah, I told you I'm in my closet with my rug. But this is the final look. I haven't done makeup in forever, but I think this looks good. And yeah, I'll try to be doing more videos for you guys. So thank you for watching. Do the old thumbs up, subscribe thing that everyone says. Peace out.